Dear pensioners, it is very easy to download the EPPO from the PCDF Pension Allahabad website. First of all, you have to click on the website pcdfpension.nic.in. On clicking this, you will be directed to this main page of PCDF Pension Allahabad, and here you will find two buttons for downloading the EPPOs. One is MIS of year 2020 retirees, that means current retirees, and MIS of pre-16 revision. This is for revision cases. And when you click this MIS of year 2020 retirees, you will be redirected to the another page. This is the page where you have to click no pension status. On clicking this, you will be directed to another button, which is PBOR. Here, when you click on PBOR, you will be displayed this page where name, regimental number and capture to be given, and after giving your details, this will be displayed. And here there are two things. One is view PPO details and download PPO copy. And when you click PPO details, you will be displayed the pension amount and all these things. And when you click on PPO copy, you can be able to download the PDF copy of the PPO, and that looks like this, and it's very clear and colorful copy, and you can save it also. This is the procedure when you follow all the path, but there is one more shortcut. And when you click on pcdfpension.nic.in, and when you drag down, there is direct button, that is no pension status. If you click this, you will be directly directed to the page where you are giving your number, regimental number, name and capture. This is the page. It will directly take you to this page, and when you click PPOR here, and you will be asked this detail. After giving these details, you will get your PPO. That's all. Thank you for watching.